Hello everyone. Today exercise. We shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 6. After rotating by 60 degrees about a center, the figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what other angles will this happen for the figure? This can be observed. The solution of this problem is that that it can be observed that if it can be observed it can be observed it can be observed that by rotating by rotating 60 degree about a center 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 then it will then it will also look it will also look symmetrical also look symmetrical trickle also look symmetrical on rotating by multiples of 60 degree by multiples of 60 degree, that is 12 120 18 180 degree 24 240 degree 240 degree, etc. Right, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.